You're not jungle like Uncle Chino.
Yeah. Today I come back for fishing and we set up the camp on the good, beautiful natural. Okay, and look at the fish. I caught like 9 sandbag already, really big one. Look what they fell in and they look like 16 in right here. Cannot fit in the cup.
Let me see.
Cannot
that.
fit in the cup. They cannot go to the cup. This is the legal side. And right now I plan to cook couple of fish I eat because I'm so hungry. So let your guy know that's the good side. So your guy don't say like Uncle Chino take on the side, okay?
That's right.
All right. Ready? You guys enjoy. You guys do like this. Oh man, nothing better than this. Fresh. Now wait how to fresh clean it. Ooh. We don't scare. We die without anyway. Oh, okay. That's it, my friend. That's a good one. Fry it and put some salt, pepper, and eat it. And go back to action before 5 o'clock.
Let's go. All right. Huh?
So you want cut in half, right?
Yeah, so it's easy to fry.
Yeah. I cut a little bit like the side too. Ooh, look at it. Look at that, my friend. Look at that, my friend. Ooh. Younger chef. No restaurant like this, my friend. Only uncle. Carve and cook. Fresh. Oh, damn.
Oh my.
Wash again. Don't worry. Wash again. Look at the egg.
Oh my.
Don't worry about that. If it dirt, you don't die about that. All right. Give me. Ooh,
Don't put too much of sea salt.
no. This we just marinate. Later they come out of water,
Mm-hmm.
and then we go. You don't need to burn food. You don't need to burn food from the home. Look at it. Huh?